Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates, guys. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi talaga natin makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. So, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, nakaka-resonate sa mga sinasabi ko, maaaring hindi para sa iyo ang reading. Kasi hindi talaga ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Pero okay lang yon, may mga next readings pa naman tayo. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. By the way, December 23, mamimigay na naman po sila ng tulong doon sa mga nasa orphanage. No? Kung gusto po ninyo magpaabot ng tulong, magbigay ng donation sa kanila para makapagbigay din kayo ng tulong sa mga bata po na nasa bahay ampunan. Pwede po yun. Mamimigay sila ng mga damit, pagkain, etc. So, anyway, makipag-coordinate na lang kayo sa kanya, no? You do have here the 7 of Pentacles, the 9 of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. This is you, Virgo. I'm feeling like for some of you, ang daming gastos, no? Well, of course, magkakaroon, December na. So, Christmas is near. So, nakikita natin na maraming gastos ang nangyayari sa iyo ngayon or ginagawa mo ngayon. With the 9 of Swords, I'm feeling like for some of you, ang nagiging main problem lang maybe is, I don't know, something to do with health. Yeah, maybe health lang. Joints, pwedeng may problem sa mga nerves, joints. Ayan. But you are the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like kailangan mo lang ibalik yung routine mo or yung diet mo before. Yeah. Kailangan mo lang mag-diet. Like, that's the advice for you. The 3 of Cups is here. For some of you, nakakita tayo ng there's too much water energy. So, pwedeng napapaligiran ka ng mga water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Or you could be dealing with a water sign. Ayan. Yung iba sa inyo, yeah, I can see a lot of you, no, na napaparami ang inom. I mean, more on health ang nakikita natin dito. Clarify the 3 of Cups, please. Yeah, you do have here the Hanged Man. So, for some of you, you're still waiting sa some kind of reconciliation with someone. Maybe with a friend. Or reconciliation sa family. I don't know. But there's a person here na nakikita natin na hinihintay mo. Parang nasasabik kang makita or makausap itong taong ito. And you're patiently waiting here. The 9 of Wands, you see this person as someone who is stuck. No, pwedeng stuck sa kanyang sariling problema. And, pwedeng you see this person as maraming gustong sabihin, i-open up sa'yo, or maaring you feel like this person meron siyang offer sa'yo, and hindi niya lang magawa yan because currently meron nga siya mga kinakaharap na problema na hindi niya maalisan. And you feel like itong person na ito is nagka-cut off or umiiwas lang sa'yo because hindi niya kayang i-offer yung mga bagay na iniisip mong kaya niya or gusto niyang i-offer sa'yo. I don't know actually kung yun ba ay may kinalaman sa love, pero for some of you meron. Okay, let's talk about this person na kakonect mo. Who is this person that you're dealing with for the sign of Virgo, please? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Who is this person? I don't know if you're dealing with the Libra or meron siyang air sign sa kanyang chart. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. 7 of Wands is here. Page of Pentacles and the Page of Swords. Okay, bottom of the deck is the 9 of Cups. Sorry, this is the 5 of Cups. Ayusin ko lang yung camera. With the 7 of Wands, I'm feeling like itong person na ito is tinatry niyang i-handle yung kanyang situation ngayon. This person, maraming expectation sa kanya yung mga taong nasa paligid niya ngayon. And so, tinatry niyang i-handle, ayusin, and pangatawanan itong mga obligasyon na ito. You could be, I don't know if you have, like, anak with this person, or maybe there's, I can see 2 children, or, yeah, 2 children, na pwedeng connected ka dito sa taong to because of these 2 children. Okay, hindi ko alam kung sa paanong paraan ko yung connected, but there's this, okay lang kahit wala. But for some of you, pwedeng meron. And this could be your reading. You could be dealing with a person, or maybe meron siyang anak, like maybe 2 children here. Anyway, so ayun, yung sitwasyon niya ngayon, medyo hindi siya happy eh. The 5 of Cups is here. There's a lot of kalungkutan. This person is not happy, nagkakaroon ng mga pagkakaaway with a 5 of Wands. Pagkakagulo, pag-aaway, hindi magandang sitwasyon sa buhay niya. Yeah, we do have here the Virgo with the Hermit energy at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, Scorpio is also here. Hindi niya ma-end eh. Yeah, maybe may children na involved. That's why may bagay siya na parang hindi niya ma-end. And itong person na ito is nagigising siya ngayon sa katotohanan with the Judgment. Like, nare-realize niya kung ano na yung sitwasyon niya ngayon. Na parang, I'm trapped. No? I'm trapped. And siya yung naglagay sa isang sa sitwasyon niya na yun kasi nahulog siya sa patibong. Like, parang, might be na-scam, parang ganun. Or might be, yeah, I can really see a Virgo. So, I don't know if you're dealing with another Virgo. But yun, may feeling na ganun. What is your emotions towards your person? What is your emotions towards your person? Spirit guides, angel guides. Ano yung emotion mo towards your person? The 6 of, this is the 4 of Swords. Judgment. Six of Cups. Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Emperor. I'm feeling like yung emotion mo sa kanya, I don't know if you're dealing with a soulmate. So if you're dealing with a soulmate, twin flame, pwedeng alam mo na yon, gising ka na doon. With the 6 of Cups, there's something about this person na parang hindi mo pa rin siya makalimutan. And maybe because regarding sa past, may mga offers or may mga actions na hindi napag-usapan or hindi naging maganda yung resulta, and like you want more from that. So maybe yung iba sa inyo ngayon nagmamatigas ka with the Emperor. I'm feeling like Wala kang pakialam sa person na ito. But it feels like interesado ka pa rin. You just want to know kung kamusta na ba. Pero parang wala ka ng pakialam. Parang ganun. Pero with the 4 of Swords, yeah, it feels like wala kang ginagawang actions kasi if you're dealing with a soulmate or twin flame, kung ano yung action na ginagawa niya, yun lang din yung action na ginagawa mo. You know? You're just mirroring his action, his or her action, regardless of the gender, no? Ayun. So ngayon, maybe you just want this person na makita ka as someone who is very professional, na magaling pagdating sa money, you know. Emotion ng person mo, the Chariot is here, the King of Wands, 5 of Wands. Tell me more about his or her emotions. His or her emotions towards Virgo. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. Wait lang, nalaglag yung isa, ha. Okay. Knight of Swords is here. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako ng tubig. Kukuha lang ako saglit bago ko sabihin yung emotion niya. Okay. Anyway, this person, nakikita natin yung pag-iwas at paglayo sa'yo nitong taong to. Pero at the same time, gusto niya bumalik. Ang weird nung energy niya, guys. Kasi, I feel like may parang may galit, ganun. May inis. Mamaya i-clarify ko to kung bakit may inis or may galit. Pero itong person na to, umiiwas siya, lumalayo siya, maybe dahil nahiya siya. Hindi niya alam kung paano i-show or ipapakita sarili niya. Or, pwede namang walang hiya. It's just that, umiiwas at lumalayo lang siya for now. Maybe may kinalaman sa distance sa inyong dalawa. Pero gusto niya bumalik eh. There's this energy na gusto niyang bumalik. Emotion niya with the Queen of Cups. I don't know if this person is dealing with two people, like the past and the present. Yeah, there's this past and present energy here. It's like the energy here is that pagdating sa pagmamahal, kung sa pagmamahal lang din naman ang tanong, pwedeng the past and the present, sa ngayon, mas nakafocus siya sa present. You know what I mean? You could be the past person here. And nakafocus siya dun sa present. And, pero nandun yung feeling na, kasi may nakikita siya ngayon sa present, naka-focus. Alam mo yon? Kung bakit siya nagfo-focus sa present is because ka-focus yung present ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, but maybe na-entertain siya nitong taong ito ngayon, or there's this connection sa kanila na kahit paano nakakapagpasigla sa person na ito. Some kind of growth. But, saglit lang eh. Ang energy is that nakafocus siya doon sa person na yun kasi saglit na nakuha nun yung attention niya. But for what I can see here, ikaw pa rin yung the star, which is pangarap. Ikaw pa rin yung dreams. Ikaw pa rin yung minamanifest. Ikaw pa rin yung gusto. Nagigets mo? That maybe yung present person is pag nandyan, or dahil sa mga ginagawa nila ngayon, or sa mga connection na meron sa kanila ngayon, yun yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit sa ngayon nakafocus siya doon, nakatingin siya doon, ano siya doon. But, ang energy is that, parang sa ngayon, medyo malayo pa tingin niya sa'yo. Because, ang tingin niya sa'yo, you are the star eh. Gusto ka pa rin niya, kumbaga katulad ng isang pangarap. 'Di ba? Ilagay mo yung sarili mo na kunwari, etong person na ito, ay ang tingin sa'yo pangarap. Nagigets mo yon. Tapos, yung person na kakonect niya ngayon is kung ano yung career na meron siya. Example na lang natin, hindi na sa love sa career na. Okay, pangarap niya magkaroon ng bahay, ikaw yon. Pangarap niya magkaroon ng malaking negosyo in the future, ikaw yon. Pero ngayon, kung anong trabaho niya, nandun lang muna siya. Lalo ngayon, kasi may mga benefits, may mga, may mga nare-receive siya na nakakapagpasaya sa kanya dito sa present na meron siya. You know what I mean? May mga nakakapagpasagla sa kanya. Pero of course, hindi, alam mo yon, hindi pa rin siya satisfied because hindi naman siya mangangarap ng iba kung satisfied na siya doon sa kung ano yung meron siya. Hindi siya satisfied. Yun ang nakikita natin dyan. And I want to clarify the 5 of Wands. Clarify the 5 of Wands, please. Clarify the 5 of Wands. 2 of Swords is here. Okay. Sa ngayon nakikita natin dahil maraming challenges sa inyo ng person na ito. Like, the star is at the bottom of the deck. I don't know if you're dealing with an Aquarius. So, dahil sa maraming challenges sa inyo ng person na ito na napakahirap, hindi niya makita ngayon yung future na ay makakamit ko tong pangarap ko. Sa ngayon, medyo malabo sa kanya. Pwedeng nakita niya na parang lumipas na yung panahon sa inyo. Na parang wala kasing siyang chance. Wala kasi. But you're still there. Pero hindi ka niya makita. Kumbaga, hindi niya nakikita yung future sa inyo. Okay? Ikaw pa rin yung gusto, ikaw pa rin yung pangarap. Pero malabo pa sa ngayon ang nakikita natin mula sa person na ito. Okay? There's this energy na parang pagod na siya eh. Napagod siya. So, pwedeng ngayon, binibigay niya yung attention niya din sa iba because napagod siya. Sa connection ninyo. So, I want to know naman, or kukunin naman natin, is yung future ninyo. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Future for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Virgos, please. Spirit guides, angel guys, please tell me for the sign of Virgo. One more shuffle for the sign of Virgo. Okay, thank you. This is for your this is for your future. Ace of Swords is here. 10 of Pentacles. 7 of Swords. The Chariot. Okay. 2 of Swords and the Knight of Wands. 10 of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Okay, so kung makikita mo, yung Ace of Swords is nandito. 10 of Swords is nasa bottom of the deck. So, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Regarding the future, nakikita natin, a lot of money is coming. Lalo na sa may mga sinisimulan ngayon. I don't know kung may mga sinisimulan ka na something na binubuo mo, mga ideas mo na, and I don't know, maybe something to do with food. Yan. Lalo na kung may kinalaman sa food, I can see a lot of money coming na kung may plano ka, mga iniisip ka, or decision kang ginagawa na may kinalaman sa food. So, that could be a business, etc. Some of you, there's a choice here in the future for you. May choices ka. There's a decision na kailangan mong gawin. And the energy for you is that hindi mo ginagawa yung decision or yung choice pagdating sa love in the near future. Hindi ka naman natatakot eh. It's just that maybe hindi mo kayang gawin yung decision na yun. Yun lang yun. May decision kang kailangan gawin. Maybe you need to end something. Pero hindi mo ginagawa yung ending because hindi mo alam. Maybe hindi mo alam kung paano bibitawan. So, hindi ko nakikita gumagawa ka ng desisyon. Okay, maybe it has something to do with love. Decision regarding love. Decision regarding family. Honestly, you're not, mature enough pagdating sa pag-handle or paggawa ng desisyon. So, clarify this Knight of Wands, please. Ten of Wands, okay. Clarify the Chariot. Four of Pentacles. Wait lang, inom lang ako guys. I feel like there's someone in the past na babalik sa'yo because this person cannot let you go. Tinry niya na eh. Tinry kanyang i-let go. Pero hindi niya kaya. Hindi niya kaya. This person is coming back. So maybe, may kailangan kang gawing desisyon regarding dito kasi may person na babalik sa buhay mo in the near future and it is someone from the past. Meron siyang energy na parang wala siyang pakialam or this person doesn't care anymore or more on professional or money lang ang nasa isip niya. May energy na ganun eh. Wala talaga siyang ginagawa regarding sa new beginnings, etc. Yun yung feeling, no? Maybe you feel like itong person nito is naka-move on na, etc. Already stable, nag-focus na sa kanyang stability, maybe you feel like itong person nito walang pakialam. But deep inside, this person is coming back kasi hindi ka talaga niya kayang i-let go. And I want to know more about the Ten of Wands. Yeah, you do have here the Death card and the Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords is here. Like what I've told you, tinry niya eh. May the same energy sa inyo na pareho ninyong tinry. The Six of Pentacles is the same energy. So, this is a balanced energy. Pareho kayo. Ibig sabihin, na tinry nyong i-end or tinry nyong mag-focus sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong new beginnings. And I feel like, ito yung maybe getting stuck into something or being stuck sa sitwasyon. Kaya parang mas pinili na lang i-end ganong energy. But Itong person na ito with the 10 of Wands, hindi niya talaga kayang i-let go. Tinry niya. Pero like, yung trial na yon nag-end lang na siya lang yung nahirapan, nasaktan. And I feel like there's an offer here or may pagpapakita mula dito sa past person na ito. And let's clarify this with the Knight of Wands. 3 of Wands and the 3 of Swords is here. One more card. Yeah, this person is coming back. Pero, this person is coming back, pero nakakita tayo ng another person here. So, might be babalik itong taong ito na meron siyang kasama or merong mga tao sa paligid niya na like magko-control or hindi naman magko-control but rather nahihiya siyang like ang tingin pa rin sa look here, the star is still here. So nandun pa rin yung nahihiya pa rin itong person na ito because ang tingin niya pa rin sa'yo is you are still his or her star. Ikaw pa rin yung pangarap niya. Pero babalik siya. And maaaring there's another or there's this person. The judgment is here. Definitely itong person na ito babalik siya ng gising na siya sa katotohanan, sa kung ano yung meron sa inyong dalawa, sa connection ninyo. And tell me about this. Maybe before, in the past, bumalik siya ng hindi siya gising sa connection na yun. And you do have the Fool and the 5 of Cups. I feel like babalik itong person na ito. And, nakikita natin yung pagte-take niya ng risk eh. Magte-take siya ng risk kung makikita niya yung itong ending na ito, like maybe you making a decision here. So, magbabalik siya pag nakagawa ka na ng decision. And, gusto ko malaman, what's with the Chariot? Okay, this is a very traditional person, maybe very religious person, or maybe a very mature person. 9 of Cups is here. This person feels like like a trophy. Like this person nakikita kanya as not collection but rather something very precious, mahalaga para sa kanya. There's a lot of love from this person and nakikita natin na parang willing siyang ibigay lahat ng makakapagpasaya sa'yo. So, mahalaga ka talaga dito sa taong to. Tell me more about this. A 3 of Cups is here. You are also supported by these people, friends, families, or yeah, more like friends. Suportado ka nito mga to dito sa taong ito. With the 9 of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Kung meron man nagiging problem dito, it's maybe your energy here. So, pwedeng spiritually or sa loob-loob mo lang, no? Yun. Ikaw mismo ang may problema dito because maybe regarding sa connection ninyo, there's this strength card or matibay na connection. Pero ikaw mismo, hindi mo alam I can see that you do love this person. You do love this person. Mahal mo siya. But, what is the but? Ang kaso may but yung pero, alam mo yun? Mahal mo siya, pero, so ano yung pero? The 9 of Swords, it feels like may mga nagiging problema. Or this person, nai-stress ka sa kanya. So, yun, mahal mo siya, pero nakaka-stress. Mahal mo siya, pero like he or she is your living nightmare. Alam mo yun? Oh yeah, maybe because you keep on helping or giving everything na tulong na may bibigay mo sa kanya. Like, you feel like hindi ka masyado nagkakaroon ng movement, level up, growth, kasi medyo nagiging mabigat. Oh yeah, maybe financially, stability, may kinalaman sa career, money. And I feel like yung iba sa inyo, there's this money issues na kinukonsider mo kasi. Kaya parang, kaya parang lahat binibigay mo sa kanya, pero masyado siyang mabigat. You do love this person, kaya lang, maybe masyadong mabigat para sa'yo yung pag-handle or sa kanya. I don't know, maybe you're the breadwinner or maybe pati siya sa dates ninyo or what, ikaw yung gumagastos. So, what is the advice here? What is the advice here? Clarify the Two of Swords advice here. Four of Wands is here. Five of Pentacles. And you do have the Six of Swords. For some of you, you need to kailangan mo makipag-communicate with the one who is being tahimik or nagpipigil or what. Like, kailangan mo makipag-usap sa kanya, the one who is being cold. Yeah, problemadong tao. Because you are the star. Kumbaga, sabihin na lang natin ganito. Hindi ka niya papansinin, katulad ng isang bituin, no? Nandyan lang sa langit yan eh. Kaya lang sabihin na natin na may ulap na nagiging blockage sa inyo. Hindi ka niya papansinin, hindi ka niya titignan kung hindi maaalis yung ulap na yon. Hindi ka niya papansinin, hindi ka niya titignan kung hindi ka mismo, ikaw mismo magpapakita sa kanya. So maybe you are the one who needs to make the next move. Ikaw yung kailangan maggawa ng next move dito. And with the Four of Wands and the Five of Pentacles, Six of Swords, some of you need to move on. May parang something ako nakikita parang kailangan mong paalisin. Kasi kaya mo naman mag-isa. I mean, you know the way. You know what to do. And mas magiging mabilis yung stability for you, money for you, if you would try to let go of this person, kasi mas magiging maganda yung view mo, yung goals mo, mas maiayos mo yung sarili mo, yung time mo. This person is not helping you. Maybe ang nararamdaman mo kasi dito sa taong to is awa. I don't know kung may kinalaman sa love yun. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe kung may ampun ka or what. Maybe ito yung time na kailangan mong i-let go and then just focus on your own path. Huwag ka na sa kanya. Clarify the Four of Wands. King of Cups. Clarify the King of Cups. Yung paghihintay kasi, I can see some of you may hinihintay, di ba? Yung paghihintay, ikaw lang mismo ang makakatapos nun. Like, hindi mo na kailangan maghintay sa kung ano man yung dapat dumating sa'yo kasi dadating talaga yun kung tatapusin mo kung ano yung mga dapat mo tapusin sa buhay mo. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.